Hey y'all, got me in some yard lights. This is a set of 6 of them. They're solar powered too. I thought they would look pretty cool out front, so I went ahead and ordered them. But I wanted to do a kind of a box opener and show you what you get. And then we're going to go outside and get them set up. And then I'll show you what they look like in the daytime. And then we'll look and see what they look like at night. Let's get this box open and get the show on the road here. All right. Got a little card here. It says missing ground spikes or stakes. I guess you can contact them if you are. Shows you how to put the little pieces together there. Have a little manual here. Kind of shows you about them. Solar panel unit, glass lampshade, connection tube, ground spike, filament LED. Okay. Anyway, I think most of it's going to be pretty self-explanatory. Alrighty. I think they're going to look pretty out in the yard, but you'll see where I'm going to put them. I have, well, they got tape all the way around that. But I have a spot out front that I'm thinking about putting them. We're going to see what they look like anyhow. They got it taped up good. All right. They're kind of a chocolate color. I thought they were black, but that's okay. I think it'll be looking fine anyway. The solar panels here on top. See if they have a off, low, and a high. We're going to put these on low. Oh, they got enough juice in right now to go. Okay, I guess the sensor is here on there. So it's light, and if you cover it up, like that, it comes on. So, don't go like that, does it? Oh, Lordy. Okay. There we go. Pretty cool. All right. Oh, here's our post. Let's see. There's 6 of them. I think that little diagram was talking. Yeah, there we go. Slide that. But they have the little stakes there. You just slide that out. You can put it in there. And of course, it's going to go onto the bottom of your light. Just like that. I'm just going to measure that real quick. These posts are right at 8 inches, about 7 7/8, 7 3/4, right in there. But they should stick up enough and look good. I'm kind of excited. Let's go out there and get them put in the ground and see what they look like in the daylight. And like I said, we'll be back and check them tonight. All right, I got them in the ground. You can see them. That last one is right out there. If you can see it, right there. But, they look pretty nice. I'm impressed with them so far. Looks like that one's a little crooked, but hey, that's close enough. But we're going to come back out here when it gets dark and check them out. Well, what do you think about that? Those look good, don't they? I think they look good. Kind of make a pretty little pattern on the ground. Now, I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but they take a AA battery, a rechargeable AA battery. If these batteries start giving you trouble, if they've been in the sun all day and it's not lighting up, you probably need new batteries. So that's something to keep in mind, but I don't look to have to replace those batteries for quite some time. So definitely a thumbs up. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.